Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are from Vocational High School 1 Pati, and we are from Agresorator and Event Organizer. I am Kirana Cingga.
I am Prasastia Prinka.
I am Siska Adelina.
Alright, in this occasion, we will introduce you about Pati Regency.
Pati Regency is one of regency in Central Java. Pati has the branding the crown of Java because it is located at the tip of the Java island and close to the coast. That makes Pati Regency have mangrove conservation such as Mina Mangrove. Not only conservation area, Mina Mangrove become tourist destination in Pati Regency. Besides that, Pati Regency also has other popular destinations from nature, culture, and historical tourist destination, such as Jrahi Tourism. Jrahi Tourism Village is known as Pancasila Village because the residents of this village have diversity religion such as Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, also Sabto Dharma belief system. But this diversity still makes them live in harmony. Next is Bagong Tourism Village. Bagong Tourism Village is a plantation of pomelo orange in Pati Regency. At there, you can pick up pomelo orange by yourself. The next destination is Bakaran Tourism Village. At there, you can practice how to make batik, learn the historical of Bakaran batik, and see the traditional performance such as gamelan and tari batik or batik dance. Next is Krishna Brass Central. At there you will find a lot of home decoration and souvenir which made from brass, such as lamp, vehicles miniature, temple miniature, and many others. The product from Krishna Brass Central has been exported to international market. If you want to visit Pati Regency is easy to access because there is a cross-provincial road that runs throughout Pati Regency. There's also a nearest airport, namely Ahmad Yani International Airport in Semarang. It only takes half an hour from Pati Regency to the airport. Besides that, there are many public transportation that you can use while you're in Pati Regency, such as bus, taxi, and online transportation. During your tour in Pati Regency, you don't need to worry for your stay because Pati Regency has 3-star hotel with full facilities such as Savin Pati Hotel. Savin Pati Hotel has some facilities such as restaurant, fitness center, swimming pool, and karaoke. Next is New Merdeka Hotel. New Merdeka Hotel's facilities is meeting rooms, have theater or auditorium, money changer, and etc.
Come directly to Pati Regency, enjoy the beauty of nature, and learn Pati Regency's culture, and get your new experience.
We're waiting for your visit and spend your holiday in Pati Regency.